Welcome to this topic, and this is gradients and equations of straight lines. And in this particular lesson, we are going to deal with perpendicular lines. So the first thing that we need to do is to define what are perpendicular lines. So if you take a ruler, you can draw two lines, and one which is horizontal. So I'll take that to be my ruler. Then I draw that, that's a line. Then I can rotate my ruler, and I'll be able to come with another line that is vertical. This line, let's draw it like this. So we have this is our line. Now once you do that, you can say here we have two lines. These two lines, we say they are perpendicular. That is, we use that symbol to indicate that they are perpendicular. So if you pick a protractor, you may measure the angle between the two lines, you find that it is 90 degrees. So these are perpendicular lines. From there, we want to find out what about gradients of perpendicular lines. So let's go ahead and do that. So in this, we need to draw the Cartesian plane so that we relate the gradients of two lines. So just take a ruler and draw two lines. You use a mathematical grid square ruled book to do that. So these are my Cartesian plane. We call that is our x-axis. This is my y-axis. So that is x and y. Always remember to label your axis. So you say that is the starting point. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. We have 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have minus 1, we have minus 2, we have minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So that is we call this Cartesian plane. The Cartesian plane, or the XY plane. Now with that, we are going to identify 2 points to come up with a straight line. When you are drawing a straight line, you only need 2 points. So let's consider that point, which we can say it is P, and we take another point which is Q. So we can join these 2 points. We use a ruler to do that. So let's join these 2 points and come up with a straight line. So you set your ruler like that, and that way you'll be able to come up with a straight line. That should be faster for you. So when you join these 2 points, you come up with a straight line. So that's the first line that we are going to look at. We have used 2 points to draw that line, so we will come and get the equation of that line. We are going to draw another line. So this is what we'll be covering in this lesson. So by the end of this lesson, we are going to find the relationship between the gradient of perpendicular lines. We also have a look at parallel lines, and then from there we look at examples of KCSE questions that have been tested from this topic.